Hey guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can remove the age restricted from your video. So let's get started. So this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, this video I have just uploaded it and it got this age restricted, as you can see over here. So we're going to remove it. I just want you to watch carefully. So we're going to hover over this place and click appeal. So it will take you to this page right here. So what you have to do now is just to click inside this box and leave your message and send it to them. So I'm going to leave this text in the description. You don't need to follow me exactly what I sent to them. You need to get the idea and modify it in your way. So I'm going to paste everything here. Let me do some correction quickly. Right, everything is perfect now. So after you finish with your text, make sure to click submit. Appear submitted. So you're gonna have to wait for maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes. YouTube gonna send you a message through your Gmail account. So I'm going to pause this video. Once I receive the message, then I'll get back. Right guys, I'm back in the video as I promised. Once I receive the message from YouTube, I'll be back. So here I am, I'm back. As you can see with the good news, my video that I was showing you in the beginning, as you can see here, is now public with not any age restricted in it. I'm so happy about it, and right now I'm going to show you the message that YouTube has sent me. I was thinking I'll receive this message after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, as I said in the video, but I rather got the message after 16 hours. So it was kind of frustrated. I was waiting for this message, it wasn't coming, so I thought YouTube forgotten about me. But the good news was I got the message after 16 hours. So let me go to my Gmail and show you the message. Right, so this is the message that YouTube has sent me. This is the message: we have reviewed your appeal for the following. This is my contact, and this is the message. You can read it along with me. And I was so happy when I saw this message. When I got this message, I immediately went to my YouTube content and I verified, and I saw my video was public to everyone without any age restricted. So that's it guys. I just want to let you know, if you get any of this problem, you don't need to worry. I'll leave the notes in the description. Before you proceed, make sure to modify the notes according to the content that YouTube has given the age restricted. So I wish you all the best. Don't give up, don't get frustrated. Keep uploading and keep working. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.